Welcome back to the Smart Home channel, your go-to source for all things related to smart home technology. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the top 5 smart door locks available on Amazon. These smart locks not only provide enhanced security for your home, but also offer convenient features that integrate seamlessly with your smart home ecosystem. So, without further ado, let's jump into our review. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Brilliant Smart Home Control, 2-switch panel, Alexa built-in and compatible with Ring, Sonos, Hue, Google Nest, Wemo, SmartThings, Apple HomeKit in-wall touchscreen control for lights, music and more. The Brilliant Smart Home Control takes smart locks to the next level by offering a sleek in-wall touchscreen control panel. With built-in Alexa and compatibility with popular smart home devices, this lock allows you to control not just your door, but also your lights, music, and more, all from a single centralized hub. Number 2. Samsung SHPDH537 SHPDH537 BCVK Mortise Handle RFID Card Tag Passcode Smart Digital Door Lock. SHSAML320. If you're looking for a robust and reliable smart door lock, the Samsung SHPDH537 is an excellent choice. It features advanced RFID card tag and passcode technology, ensuring secure access to your home. With its mortise handle design, this lock combines style and functionality, making it a great addition to any modern home. Number 3. Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, 2nd Gen, home security system. With 30-day free Ring Protect Pro subscription, the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit offers comprehensive home security that includes a smart door lock as part of its system. With easy installation and integration with the Ring app, you can remotely control and monitor your door lock status, receive real-time notifications, and even customize access permissions for family members or trusted guests. Number 4. Yale Assure Lock 2 Wi-Fi Smart Lock. New, keyless entry with Wi-Fi built-in for remote access. Black suede. Yale has long been synonymous with security, and their Assure Lock 2 Wi-Fi Smart Lock continues that tradition. With keyless entry and built-in Wi-Fi, you can remotely lock or unlock your door using the Yale Secure app. The sleek black suede design adds a touch of elegance to your entryway, while providing convenience and peace of mind. Number 5. Smart Deadbolt. Smonnet Fingerprint Electronic Deadbolt Door Lock with keypad Bluetooth keyless entry keypad Smart Deadbolt app control, e-keys sharing, app monitoring auto lock for homes and hotel. The Smonnet Smart Deadbolt combines biometric fingerprint technology with keyless entry and Bluetooth connectivity. You can easily manage access through the companion app, share e-keys with family or guests, and even monitor activity logs for added security. With its auto lock feature, you'll never have to worry about forgetting to lock the door again. Thank you for watching Smart Home. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and smart home tips. Leave your comments and suggestions below, and check the description box for product links. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content. Stay tuned for a smarter home. See you next time.